Emeril Lagasse here with my French door air fryer 360 with true air frying technology that lets you save up to 70% calories from fat.
Let's open the French doors and discover what amazing food you can make. Use the deep crisper basket to make air-fried French fries, or load it up with chicken nuggets and a rack of onion rings. Or you can have perfectly char-grilled steaks indoors all year round. With just a twist of the knob, you can have a corn-on-the-cob feast with savory, tender barbecue ribs. Wow, that looks fantastic! With 24 preset cooking functions, you can explore even more to create delicious meals for optimum taste and texture. Now you can air fry crispy bacon to perfection, or make a basket full of hard-boiled eggs for the classic deviled eggs. And with a special toast function, you can toast 6 pieces all at once, or 8 large bagel slices all together. Did you know it could even broil a chicken parm? Just look how savory it comes out in minutes. Bon appetit! With 5 heating elements and smart turbo fan blades that are angled to distribute the heat 360 degrees around your food. Plus, it's engineered with easy touch controls that adjust to 450 degrees, which allow for perfect cooking temperature. With its 26-quart deep cavity space, you can rotisserie a whole chicken at once or cook an entire roast with vegetables for great tasting meals. Use the slow cook function for the perfect pulled pork sandwich, or use the grill function for healthy fresh salmon and vegetables. And the Emeril French Door Air Fryer 360 even proofs, so you can make fresh baked bread in minutes or cheesy pizza for everyone to enjoy. Plus, you can dehydrate fruits for healthy snacks, defrost thick, juicy steaks, make fresh pastry, or even traditional mac and cheese with ease. Or bake a huge blueberry pie. Wow! Now you can get the complete Emeril Lagasse French Door Air Fryer 360 system with rotisserie kit, crisper basket, and baking tray and racks, plus fetch tool and recipe guide. Shop now.